So to flow your debate, you're going to want the policy debate flow sheet, and that's located on Canvas, and you should get 2 pieces of paper or back to back, one that looks like this, the first side, and then the back side will look like that. So just download that file and then you can write right on it. And then as you watch the debate, I find 2 different pens are helpful, although not required. As you watch the debate, you simply outline what they're saying. So I know that there's going to be an introduction, right? So I could just write introduction, except you don't even have to write the whole thing out. You could just write some notes, and then I know there's going to be like a hook, and then I write whatever that person wrote, and I know there's going to be a proposition, and then I can write down, paraphrase whatever they said. I know the next section will be a needs section for sure. Let's say that person has 3 things, and I probably want to space this out so I don't have to try to smush it all in like I'm doing here. And then I just take some brief notes on whatever it is that they said. I do the same thing for the plan section, and I would fill that out. I'm going to run out of space. And then I would put the advantages section if I have space. I'm probably going to need a second sheet at this point. So I would print out 2 of these for both debates. And then that way you could keep doing your outline here. So you just take some basic notes. It doesn't have to be word for word. I'll give you another tip. If somebody had cited a source, you would write source, New York Times. And then sometimes I even put a little hash mark on the side because that helps me keep track of how I can just count how many of them there were on the side. And then for the advocate, the negative, while they're talking, I know it's going to be the exact same format. Intro, whatever they said, a couple things from their introduction. Maybe they had 3 things, I don't know. And then it's still going to follow that same need, plan, advantage. So, and then you would flow it out just like you did with the other one. And the whole idea is that then if I was debating, I can say, okay, I'm the negative person. I wrote down in B that this person said whatever. In my rebuttal, I can actually respond to that. But you want to practice too, so you're going to be flowing other people's debates. So then in the rebuttals, it's not going to follow need, plan, advantage. It's going to be more like A, B, and C. A, B, C, whatever they said. And then I would want to flow this one too. And again, if you have large handwriting, you might find you need to use more than 1 piece of paper. I probably would, although I am also writing like larger because I'm trying to do this for an example. And then once the debate's over, then I go to the back and I pick, okay, so say that I'm going to say that the affirmative was the winner in this, the person that spoke first. They did a lot better job. So I circle whatever they did, or, whoever it was that won. And then I explain why. So I write in here a couple sentences. It doesn't have to be too detailed. Why this person had a stronger argument than this person. And it's probably going to be based off of what I learned in here. So that's how you flow a debate. You can develop your own shorthand if you would like, and I would definitely recommend you want to make sure you get it into this like a little bit organized with the hierarchy, because that will really help you later. So again, you are going to you should, in a normal debate, you would be flowing while the other person was talking if you were in the debate. And then also our class will be flowing. You're going to practice a couple times flowing other people's debates because it's good practice for you. All right. Hope that helps.